Dear Mr. Krishna Prakash, first of all, I'm so happy and thankful that I'm a part of this community building group. Just when I was wondering how I could make best use of this shutdown, I was invited for this group. Frankly, I look forward to waking up in the morning and practice what you have taught us. Every bit of it is worth it. We're able to relate to what you say because of the simple way you put it. You go to any extent to make sure that we understand by the way of Q&A. My wife too is happy that I'm learning something very useful. Lighter part of it, had you been my teacher during my college days, I think I would have done my PhD. Thank you for teaching me what it is like to appreciate the small things in life. I'm sure this learning is going to be for life. Thank you. Namaskar.